Admin Handbook, Learning Quotas. We're going to look at what is a quota, how they affect profiles, and how you can use quotas to construct your site. So right now we're looking at Elastic. If we go to a profile to start with, go to my admin pro. Here's a profile on Jamroom. It's the admin profile. You can see that on this profile they have the home button for their profile, which takes it back to just the top level of this profile. You can see the timeline, so you can see what this profile has uploaded, and they've uploaded one image gallery. You can see that they've got access to a blog module, a gallery module, followers and pages. These are the modules that are installed in the system and available to this profile. The reason that they're available to this profile is because they've been activated for the quota that this profile is in. If we go here into the profile settings, and we can see that they're in a profile quota called the example quota. Example quota is the quota that's set up when you install Jamroom. Quotas are very useful for configuring your system. They allow you to have different types of profile. So let's have a look at setting some of them up now. We're going to go into the ACP, Tools, go into the quota browser, rename this one. Instead of example quota, we're going to call it new sign up. New sign up quota, because currently every person who signs up to the system is going to end up in this quota. But what we also want is we're going to want another quota to set up a community-wide forum on. Tools, quota browser, and we're going to add a new one called quota. Okay, so this one allows signups, this one doesn't allow signups. And if we go back to that profile that we were looking at before, that has timeline, blog, gallery, followers and pages on it, and we update it and change it from the new sign up quota to the community forum quota. Let's go. We'll get rid of, for our community forum, we don't want a couple of these modules on there. So go back to the ACP and go to blog. And then the quota config for blog, for the new sign up quota, we're going to have it as allowed on profile. But for the community forum quota, we're going to uncheck that and save the changes. Okay, and we'll do the same for pages. In the quota config tab for the pages module, for the new sign up quota, we're going to have it as allowed on the profile. But for the community forum quota, we don't want that on the profile. Okay, so let's go and have a look at our profile again. The blog module and the pages module have disappeared from this profile. Because we're the admin user, we are allowed to change the quota. Generally, you wouldn't allow users to change their own quota. You'd leave that as a feature that only the admin user can do. So, save changes. And now this quota has the blog module and it has the pages module. We're going to add a new profile here. I'm going to call it community. And it's in the profile quota community forum quota. So we're going to go back into the ACP, and the community forum profile is obviously going to need the forum module from the marketplace. Let's install that. Activate it. And in our quota config tab, the new sign up quota can post to forums and can have file attachments. But we don't want them to have a signature and don't want them to have a BB code signature, so no bold or fancy colors for our users in our standard quota. Save that. And for our community forum quota, we do want them to have allow profile forum, can post to forums. There's no user attached to this one, so that that can be checked or not checked. It doesn't matter. Okay. So if we go back to our community profile, call it community. Here's our forum. We can enable categories. General questions. Okay. So now we can direct all of our members to come to this location and create and talk about forum topics. Users themselves won't be able to have a forum on their profile. They won't have a forum button because they'll be in a different quota. So this is a standard user quota, a standard user profile. It doesn't have a forum. This profile is in a different quota and it does have a forum. So you can use the quota system to set up as many different quotas as you like. And then all of the people joining your system will each have a profile, and then you can decide which quota they go into, and that will determine what features they have available. Check out our other videos and be sure to subscribe.